Welcome to the FinGlam Finance channel. In this video, we will be reading and discussing some articles that we found very interesting. Feel free to leave a comment. Let's start reading the first article. At the moment, Bitcoin is trading at $25,990 and remains the most valuable cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization. BTC is finding support at the $25,222 level while encountering resistance at $26,662. During the morning hours, Bitcoin has experienced a slight 0.2% uptick, and over the past week, it has managed to increase by 0.3%. Analysts at TrendSpider have observed that the cryptocurrency is facing challenges in surpassing the support indicated by the weekly wedge formation. This trend could potentially signal a change in the market's direction. Conversely, cryptocurrency trading expert Mags has detected an intriguing development within the Bitcoin market. According to their analysis, the crypto is currently forming a significant pattern known as an inverse, head and shoulders, HNS, on the monthly chart. This pattern suggests the possibility of a bullish trend emerging for Bitcoin's value. The inverse, head and shoulders, pattern often serves as a signal for a reversal of the previous bearish trend. In this particular case, the pattern may indicate that Bitcoin is on the brink of an upward movement. This was the text of the article, and now we will be commenting on it. This article provides valuable insights into the current status of Bitcoin, shedding light on its position as the leading cryptocurrency despite market fluctuations. The support level at $25,222 and resistance at $26,662 are key indicators to monitor. The slight morning increase and the weekly 0.3% rise add to the overall picture. TrendSpider's analysis highlights the ongoing struggle of Bitcoin to break through the support represented by the weekly wedge pattern, potentially hinting at a market trend reversal. On the other hand, cryptocurrency trading expert Mags identifies a noteworthy development: the formation of an inverse, head and shoulders, pattern on the monthly chart. This pattern suggests the possibility of a bullish trend for Bitcoin's value, which could signify a potential shift in the market direction. Now we will read and comment on another interesting article. BTC derivatives have turned bearish as Bitcoin struggles to gain bullish momentum, despite hopes for a spot ETF. This has raised the likelihood of a correction in Bitcoin's price down to $22,000. Grayscale's legal win against the SEC on August 29 and the subsequent delay in approving spot BTC ETFs have led to a decline in investor sentiment. The question now is whether the potential benefits of an ETF can outweigh the growing risks. By August 18, Bitcoin's 19% rally following BlackRock's ETF filing had completely reversed. Efforts to reclaim the $28,000 support failed as investors pinned their hopes on an ETF approval. The overall mood among Bitcoin investors has soured, with the S&P 500 closing at 4,515 on September 1, just 6.3% below its all-time high from January 2022. Even gold, which hasn't breached $2,000 since mid-May, is still 6.5% away from its peak. This has left Bitcoin investors less optimistic than expected, given the impending 2024 halving. Bitcoin's lackluster performance is attributed by some to ongoing regulatory actions against Binance and Coinbase, along with potential DOJ indictments for money laundering and sanctions violations involving Russian entities. Pentashi, the chief investment officer at North Node Capital, believes that the gains from a spot ETF approval outweigh regulatory actions' impact. However, this analysis overlooks the decrease in U.S. inflation from 9.1% in June 2022 to 3.2% in July 2023. Furthermore, the U.S. Federal Reserve's reduction of total assets from $8.73 trillion in March 2023 to $8.12 trillion signals reduced market liquidity, detrimental to Bitcoin's inflation protection. While Bitcoin's price has held at $25,000 since mid-March, derivatives data reveals weakening bullish conviction. Bitcoin's current 3.5% futures premium is the lowest since mid-June, reflecting decreased demand for leverage buyers. Options markets also indicate declining optimism, with the 25% delta skew entering bearish territory. Protective put options are trading at a 9% premium compared to similar call options. This suggests growing bearish momentum. In summary, Bitcoin's future is uncertain, given the regulatory landscape's unpredictability. A retracement to $22,000 seems probable, as Bitcoin struggles to maintain positive momentum despite higher chances of a spot Bitcoin ETF approval. This was the text of the article, and now we will be commenting on it. The Bitcoin market is going through some interesting times. BTC derivatives are taking a bearish turn, and despite the buzz surrounding a potential spot ETF, Bitcoin is struggling to gain momentum. The recent legal win for Grayscale against the SEC and the subsequent delay in ETF approvals have cast a shadow of uncertainty. The question is whether the potential benefits of an ETF can outweigh the growing risks. We saw a rally following BlackRock's ETF filing, but it quickly reversed, and attempts to reclaim support levels have been unsuccessful. Adding to the mix, the broader market isn't exactly booming. The S&P 500 index and gold are both off their all-time highs, and this has dampened the spirits of Bitcoin investors, especially with the halving approaching. Some blame regulatory actions against Binance and Coinbase for Bitcoin's lackluster performance. The looming DOJ indictment of Binance further muddies the waters. While some see hope in an ETF approval, decreasing U.S. inflation and the Federal Reserve's liquidity-reducing moves challenge Bitcoin's role as an inflation hedge. Examining Bitcoin's price and derivatives data, there's evidence of weakening bullish sentiment. Futures premiums are at their lowest, indicating decreased demand for leverage buyers. Options markets tell a similar story, with the delta skew showing bearish tendencies. Protective put options are trading at a premium, a sign that optimism is fading. In conclusion, the regulatory landscape is full of uncertainty, and it's impacting Bitcoin's trajectory. A retracement to $22,000 seems plausible, given the struggle to maintain positive momentum in the face of a delayed spot ETF approval. The Bitcoin market is evolving, and investors are in for an unpredictable ride. These are the news that we found interesting. We are excited to share this information with you and create a community dedicated to financial growth. Let us know your thoughts in the comments as we continue to explore the vast world of finance together. Subscribe to our channel to stay informed and feel free to share and comment on all our videos. Thank you for your support. Attention! The information provided in this video does not constitute financial advice and is not intended to provide any form of financial guidance. The opinions expressed in this video are personal and may differ from those of financial experts. Any decision you make regarding investments will be your own decision. We do not intend to influence your decisions in any way. If you decide to undertake any investments, we recommend consulting professionals in the field. Before risking your financial capital, conduct your own research. Financial markets can be highly volatile, so if you choose to invest, do so with caution. It is important to be aware that financial transactions are often risky and can result in the loss of your entire invested capital. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Financial knowledge is essential. Be aware of your goals and abilities before investing. Conduct thorough research and verify sources before making financial decisions based on this video. In this video, we have blended finance-related images with other subjects. It's important to emphasize that the purpose of these visuals is to create a diverse and engaging content experience. We want to make it clear that there is absolutely no intention to offend, be sexist, or show bias towards any specific group in any way. Our goal is to foster a light-hearted atmosphere while discussing finance, ensuring a respectful and inclusive environment for everyone.